Hello, hello, hello. Tonight, guys, I'm making a quick and easy dinner air fryer salmon. Very easy to prep. I just, I've let these thaw out. They don't even have to be completely thawed because the air fryer will take care of that. You just want to make sure they're cooked through, but it doesn't take very long at all. So, you can use whatever kind of sauces. I just really, I like olive oil, some salt, garlic powder, onion powder. Pop it in the air fryer for 7 minutes at 400 degrees. And you want to flip them over about halfway through cooking. And then, if you need to go a few extra minutes because you prefer yours a little more done, that's fine. But they come out nice and moist, and it's just a fantastic treat. So, that being said, I'm going to go ahead and finish prepping these. Whoop. My salt lid came off there. Because I've been using kosher salt lately for a lot of my cooking, and I just find it tastes better. It enhances the flavor of my food more. And, I don't know. You tell me, do you like, what kind of salt do you prefer? Do you prefer the kosher salt? Do you prefer the pink Himalayan sea salt? Which I like to cook with that too. Or just, regular old Morton's table salt. So, I don't know. I'm going to toss it between the pink Himalayan sea salt and the kosher salt myself. So, anyway, that right there, guys, that's your prep time. You can really get these ready while your air fryer is preheating. You can probably hear mine in the background, so not sure how the quality of the sound on this video is going to be, but we'll go with it. So, I will make sure I take a few pictures once it comes out and I've got the whole dish together. Other than that, enjoy your meal and have a great night.